Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to speed up Google Chrome and fix your slow Google Chrome. First, open up your Google Chrome app, and from here, click on the three dots at the top right part of this window, and click on Settings at the bottom part of the options. From here, click on System, and for this first option right here, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Make sure that it is turned off. So just click on this toggle button right here to have that grayed out. That means that it is now turned off. For the second option, it says use graphics acceleration when available. We have to turn this on, so mine is already turned on, so just click on it if it is not turned on for you. Next step would be to click on reset settings right here from the left part of the options and click on restore settings to their original defaults. Don't worry because this action won't affect our bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. So just click on reset settings right here, and that can help solve our problem. Next step will be to click on these three dots at the top right again, click on extensions, and click on manage extensions. From here, you can see the extensions we have downloaded in our Chrome, and if you have unnecessary extensions that you don't use anymore, just remove it to make your Google Chrome faster. The next step will be to do a right click on the start icon and click on run. This window will pop up and we are going to type in ncpa.cpl. Once you have typed that in, click on OK and the network connections window will pop up. Select the connection that you are using. So I'm using Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, click on it. Once you have selected it, right click and click on properties. From here, look for Internet Protocol version 4, select it, and we have to click on properties. And what we're going to do is to use the following DNS server addresses. So just type these in your preferred DNS server, 8888, and for the alternate DNS server, 8844. Once you have typed that in exactly the way I did, click on OK, close, and restart your computer and see that your problem has now been fixed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.